Hey Donna, what are you doing?
I'm cooking.
Cooking?
So I thought that one of our pre-made meals would be chili. It's super easy to make. Definitely makes a lot of leftover. So we're gonna have it for dinner tonight, and then I'm gonna freeze the rest of it and bring it along on the trip. All I need to do is just saute these veggies, and then I'm gonna add my ground beef, the rest of my ingredients, and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 hours, and it'll be good to go. You may have heard of our infamous neighbors' super hot jalapeno peppers.
They have some kick, and we like kick.
Right.
Everyone might not like the same level of kick.
You could add 1, 2, or
None.
I think I'm going to put like crushed red pepper in it. So if you want to just substitute with crushed red pepper instead of super hot jalapenos, you could do that. I've been known to put a habanero in every now and then. But what also makes it nice to supplement it, if it is a little too spicy, put a thwack of sour cream in it, and that'll balance it out a little bit.
There you go.
Okay, so here we got our ground beef and our veggies all sauteed and browned. I'm gonna drain it in the sink, and then I'm gonna add the rest of my ingredients. With Loki. So what I like to do first is add my spices before any of my sauces or beans. This way it releases the flavor of all the spices. Get that all combined. I'm just gonna let that cook for like a minute or two. And then I'll pour my kidney beans and my tomato sauces in. And then you just simmer for, you gotta let it go for at least 2 hours. Okay, so in goes the undrained kidney beans, and you don't drain them because the starch in them is what makes your chili thick. Different spoon. All right, get this all incorporated. Put my lid on halfway and just let it do its thing. I'll come back maybe in an hour and test it to see if it's spicy enough or needs more salt. All right, so this has been cooking for a couple hours. Looks amazing. 2 ladles, plenty. I'm gonna garnish with a little cheddar cheese. Dollop of sour cream.